Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Explain how rusting of iron is envisaged as setting up of an electrochemical cell. For understanding, consider a material which is made up of iron and it is exposed to atmosphere. Okay, an atmosphere contains moisture and all. Now a spot on the iron surface act as anode. At anode, what will happen? We know, right? Oxidation will take place. Oxidation, what is oxidation? Fe loses 2 electron and Fe become Fe2 plus 2 electron, right? These 2 electrons at anodic spot move through the metal and go to another spot on the metal, and reduction of oxygen happens in the presence of H+. So another spot on the metal act as cathode, and at cathode what will happen? Reduction of oxygen take place in the presence of H+. You can see the reaction, right? Okay, see the reduction potential of the first reaction is what? Minus 0.44, and for this particular reaction, what is the reduction potential? 1.23. Okay, now you know E0 cell, you have 2 reduction potential here, and what is E0 cell? E0 cell is E0 cathode minus E0 anode, correct? And what is the value? Now you are getting 1.67 volt, correct, right? So the process of corrosion is actually setting up an electrochemical cell whose E0 cell value is what? 1.67 volt. Hope all of you understand. And one more thing, how we are getting the overall reaction? You are getting the overall reaction by adding the anodic reaction and cathodic reaction, right? By adding these 2 chemical equation, you are getting the overall equation, correct, right? Okay, now this is anode, right? Anode, oxidation reaction. This is cathode, reduction reaction. Okay, and this value is what? E0 cathode value, and this is E0 anode value. Subtracting E0 cathode and E0 anode, you will get what? E0 cell, and you are getting a positive value, so you can say corrosion. The process of corrosion is actually setting an electrochemical cell. Hope all of you understand.